Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in this video we are going to learn how to create GoHighLevel contact on Typeform submission and add submission details in Airtable. So let's suppose I am running an edtech company and using Typeform to take all the enrollments for various courses. Now I want that whenever a form submission has been made, it is sent to GoHighLevel and the contact is created automatically, and then it is sent to Airtable and the details are added of these contacts automatically. I can do this automation with the help of Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software which requires no coding or programming skill. I just need to build connection between Typeform, GoHighLevel and Airtable. Pabbly Connect runs on two principles, which is triggers and action. Here as my trigger application, I will take Typeform where a new form submission will be made, and in my action application I will take GoHighLevel where the contact will be created automatically, and Airtable where these details will be added automatically. If you want to learn this automation step by step, let me take you all to my screen. In this video, we are going to learn how to create GoHighLevel contact on Typeform submission and add these details in Airtable. For this, we are going to create automation between Typeform, GoHighLevel and Airtable with the help of Pabbly Connect. So this is the landing page of Pabbly, and you can visit this simply by typing pabbly.com/connect in your browser. After browsing the website, we need to sign in to our Pabbly account. On the top right corner, you can see two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on sign in. But if you are a new user, click on sign up for free, and this will give you 100 tasks free on monthly basis. As I am an existing user, I'll click on sign in. And here a dashboard has appeared showing me all the Pabbly applications. Here I need to click on Pabbly Connect Access Now. And it has taken me to this dashboard where I will be able to see all my workflows over here and all the folders that I have created over here. If you want to create a new folder, you just need to click on this plus icon, and from here you can create a new folder. For now, I want to create a new workflow, for which I need to click on create workflow, and now it's asking me for the workflow name. So let's name this as create GoHighLevel contact on Typeform submission and add submission details in Airtable. Now I need to select the folder in which I want to save this workflow. So these are the folders that I have created, and I want to select all automations and click on create. As soon as I click on create, two boxes have appeared in front of me. One is trigger, other is action. So trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So trigger is basically an event which starts the automation of a workflow. There can be only one trigger in a workflow, but as many as action applications as you want. Here in this workflow, I want to create contact in GoHighLevel on Typeform submission and add details in Airtable, which means whenever a Typeform submission will be made, a contact will be created in GoHighLevel, which means whenever a form submission will be made, this complete workflow will get triggered. So our trigger application will be Typeform. And a trigger event will be new entry. Click on connect. If you have an existing connection, you can simply go with save, but if you don't have one, click on add new connection, connect with Typeform. And over here, I have already logged into my Typeform account, and that's why it's just asking me for the permission. So I have to give away all the permissions because my data is saved with Pabbly Connect. And over here, authorization is successful. So Typeform is connected with Pabbly Connect, and now we need to enter the form. So to enter this, let me take you to my Typeform account. Over here, this is my Typeform account, and this is the form that I'll be using. So let's open this. This is the form by the name New Contact Form, and it has first name, last name, phone number, and email address. So let's go back to Pabbly, and from over here, I just have one form, so I will select New Contact Form and simply click on Save and Send Test Request. Over here you can see waiting for the webhook response, and under this it's written once you have clicked over the Save and Send Test Request button, then do a test submission in that application in order to capture the response here. So as to get the response over here, we need to do a test submission, and for that we need to open a Typeform account, and over from here we need to open our form. For that we have to click on share. And this is the link to the form. We need to copy this and paste it on a new tab. So over here, let's say my first name is new. My last name is user. My phone number is, and my email address is new99@pabblitudes.com. Now click on submit. So we have submitted the form. Now let's go back to Pabbly Connect and check whether we have received the response there or not. Over here we can see we have instantly captured the response. The first name was new, the last name was user, phone number was this, email address was new99@pabblitudes.com. So Typeform is connected with Pabbly Connect, and now we need to move to our next step, which is action step. So on Typeform submission, we want to create contact. So over here, our action application will be lead connector v2, and our action event will be create contact. Click on connect. If you have an existing connection, you can simply go with save, but if you don't have one, click on add new connection. Connect with lead connector v2. And from over here, I need to select my sub account. So my sub account is Pabbly Connect. And authorization is successful. So lead connector v2 or GoHighLevel is connected with Pabbly Connect, and now we need to enter all these details. So to enter these details, I am going to use a process called mapping, which means I am going to enter data from my previous response. So from here, I have received response from Typeform. I will simply click on this, click on Typeform, and map my first name as new, my last name as user. As I have already entered my first name and my last name, I will enter my email address as new99@pabblitudes.com and my phone number as this one. So mapping is important so that every time you receive a new response, it is taken into consideration in these fields. Manually entering the data will make it static and the information will not change even if you have received the new response. Next, I am leaving these fields blank because these are not required one and needed for me to create contact in GoHighLevel. But if you have these fields in your form, you can enter using the same process. Now you simply need to scroll down and click on Save and Send Test Request. Over here, we can see we have received the response. The first name was new, the last name was user, email address was new99@pabblitudes.com, and the phone number was this. So let's open our GoHighLevel account and check whether this contact has been created there or not. So this is the app dashboard of GoHighLevel, and here on the left hand side, we need to click on contacts. And we can see we have created this contact by the name new user, the phone number was this, and the email address was new99@pabblitudes.com. The date and timing of the contact creation has also been recorded here. So we have created a contact in GoHighLevel, and now we need to move to our next step, which is action step, and there we want to add this record in Airtable. So our action application will be Airtable, and our action event will be create record. Click on connect. If you have an existing connection, simply go with save, but if you don't have one, click on add new connection, connect with Airtable. Over here, I have already logged into my Airtable account, and from here, I need to select my base. So I have to click add a base, and the name of the base is Typeform data, and simply click on grant access. And authorization is successful. So Airtable is connected with Pabbly Connect, and now we need to enter all these details. So to enter this, let me take you to my Typeform account. This is my Typeform account, and this is the table that I have created. The name is Typeform data. So let's go back to Pabbly and select my base name as Typeform data, which is already selected because we have already selected this while doing the connection. And the table name is table 1, as we have only one table over here. Then we need to enter the first name, last name, email address, and phone number. So to enter this, I'm going to use a method called mapping, which we have already used in our previous step. So I will simply click on first name and click on Typeform, from where I have received the response, and map my first name as new, then my last name as user, then my email address as new99@pabblitudes.com, and my phone number as this one. And the next field is enable typecasting. So it's written over here, typecasting, if enabled, allows you to forcefully create an option with a passed value in multiple choice type fields. So I just want to select this as false and click on Save and Send Test Request. So here we can see we have received the response. The first name was new, the last name was user, email address was new99@pabblytudes.com and the phone number was this. Now let's open our Airtable account and check whether we have received this response or not. Over here we can see we have instantly recorded this data. The first name was new, the last name was user, email address was this and the phone number was this. So as to check whether this automation is working perfectly fine or not, let's open our Typeform again and submit one another form. Let's say my first name is latest, my last name is user, my phone number is, and my email address is latest464@pabblytudes.com. Click on submit. So we have submitted the form. Let's open our GoHighLevel account and check whether this contact has been created there or not. Let's refresh the page. Over here we can see we have created this latest user also. The name was latest user, phone number was this, and the email address was latest464@pabblytudes.com. Now let's go to our Airtable account and check whether this has been recorded there or not. So we have successfully recorded this recent contact over here. And so to summarize this, we took Typeform as our trigger application where we filled the form and received the response over here. Then we took Lead Connector V2 or GoHighLevel as our action application where we mapped all the data from our previous response and then created contact in GoHighLevel. Then we took Airtable as our action application where we wanted to create record of this contact. So we made connection with Pabbly Connect and selected our base name and the table name, entered all these details with the help of mapping and simply clicked on Save and Send Test Request. So we have successfully created automation between Typeform, Lead Connector V2 or GoHighLevel and Airtable with the help of Pabbly Connect. I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, but you can integrate many more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can reach at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, you can visit the website given over here. Also, if you find our videos helpful, do share it with your friends and like and subscribe to our channel.